also invited, perhaps you could see where highlighted for her. Yeah, so they said that the office would like to inform you, so it's addressed to her up here, that is unable to issue a
Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning, class. Good morning, traders. I want to sincerely apologize for a little bit of delay today. I was hoping that somebody would take this class before I joined because I was indisposed a little bit. Okay. This is unlike me. I normally get to office before 7 a.m. But today, because of whatever is going on in Nigeria, I don't know. A little bit delayed at the filling station, I must confess. Okay, so it's 100% because of fuel. But I think I'm 10 minutes or 9 minutes behind schedule. I apologize. I sincerely apologize. So I'll be starting now. And I'm happy that people are already okay. Yes, thank you very much. Adenuga. That's unlike me. I don't normally get to the office even before. I don't get to the office before it. I get to the office before 7 a.m. Okay. I use the 1 hour between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. to arrange myself. Okay, physically, mentally, spiritually, whatever you want to call it. That's me. Okay. So it actually prepared me ahead of the park. Okay. And so I'm going to be starting my MT4 now. Or the other I use MT5 today. I can use any one though. But I think I have more indicators on MT4 than MT5. The reason why I don't use MT5 for analysis more is because I have more indicators that I've used my money to buy, okay, before MT5, came on board. So, and those indicators are very good for me, okay? They are very, very good for me. So because of that, I prefer to actually use them. So I'm going to be starting with, I think this MT5. So I'm going to be displaying MT5 page now. And I think the reason why I did this from then, I don't know. So this is my MT5 page. Okay, so and I was actually testing out the strategy. That's why the reason why you see all these paints. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see it. The reason why you are seeing all these paints, all these moves is because I was testing the strategy out to kind of only buy this in the index, particularly D30 or D40. Now on MT5, we still have it as D30. So I was actually testing the strategy to only buy. And of course, by and large, that's not been too bad. So I'm going to be sharing, once I'm done with it, I'm going to be sharing the strategy with you guys. And let me just do Control T so that we can see my terminal. And of course, you can see that I still have small money there. It's not as if it's big, okay? Just 600K. So I'm looking at making it 1 million in the next maybe 1 week or so. All right. So that's on this MT5 account. Now, let me just quickly give you an idea of what this price will do. Now, we can see that today, really, that the price of this DAX index, I'm going to be starting by the way, I'm going to be starting with DAX. Okay. So you can submit since is the page displayed, you can submit what you want me to look at. I'll look at it. Just drop it in the comment section. And then we'll be looking at it as we go on. But let's look at DAX. Now, on the MT4 front, it's going to be DAX 40 or D40. But the MT5 is going to be D30. Whatever D you see it, you can trade it. All right. And it's actually very profitable trading it. It's an index, German index. Now, the way I see this one, it's actually gapped down a little bit. But I think by and large, this price will still go up. So the price will still favor buyers. And we can use some of the indicators that I have. For example, the breakout strategy to test it. So you can see that this arrow on the day one is about to cross. But if you check H4, it should have. Let's check. On the H4 front, it's already crossed and it tested one time. So it's going to retest again, but the price is still going to go up. Okay, the direction bias is still to the upside. So if you don't want to buy now, if you don't want to click on buy immediately, there are some things you can do. You can use, for example, this zone, okay, as your area of interest. Okay, I like using this one a lot. Okay, you see this opening, the opening here is going to benefit you a lot. That's the opening between the red and the black line. Now, remember, if you have been following me, you know that the red line is actually AMA, that's exponential moving average 21. You can see the configuration here, the properties, the period is 21, the method is exponential, that's the first one, the red one. And the black one is EMA 50, that's SMA 50. This one is actually simple period. So that's the simple method, 50 period, and of course the color is black. So that's the idea. Now, the whole idea behind this strategy is that we know that averages are derived from price. The moving average 50 is slow to price because it's simple moving average. It's actually slower in reaction to price. But the red one, which is the SMA, is fast to react to price. Now, the idea is that we want to use two supports. If the price is trending to the upside, the first support is fast to get to price, or is closer to price. It's expected to hold the price. Okay. Now, if the price fails to hold on the fast one, then it's expected to hold on the slow one. So if you check, for example, this zone, let me give you an idea of what I mean by that. If you check, when the price was dropping very fast around this zone, the first one that actually encountered, where the price encountered was this first one. Okay, this first one here. And it kind of held the price a little bit, dropped the price to the lower value. And of course, the next thing that happened was that we saw it that the price actually approached the second one, which also held it a little bit, but then eventually there was a breakout. Now, when the breakout happened, the price came back and retested only the red one. And so the red one held, and guess what? The price has been trending to the upside since then. So that's how you know how to use these ones. And you can go back and you can test to the backside and check. So I feel that if this price can a little bit, since this one has actually opened up, the price has been going, quite well, bouncing on directly ahead of the moving average. But this one is close now. So I feel that the price will approach it. That's the red one. If the price approached the red one and held, then the price will go back to the upside. But if the price approach the red one and break it, then it will approach the black one. Okay, and of course, the black one is ready to hold it, of course, and push the price back up. Now, it's only when the red one, the black one refuses to hold it, that the price can drop back to the lower side. But as it is now, sincerely yours, this price will still most likely be held either with the red or with the black or in between. So you can put your buy limit around this in between. Hope the analysis is clear now. You can put your buy limit around it if you are not interested in placing a buy directly. I'm not interested in doing that as well. I would rather the price come in between these two, and then I can place my buy, and then I can make money. So buy limit will be ideal for this one. And the region you can use the buy limit is in between the red and the black. Now, if you ask me what price range, you can use horizontal line. Once you plot these two lines on your chart, you can use horizontal line to check where you can put your buy limit. So you can use between 18566 and 18404. So all you just need to do is to right click and click on buy limit. Right click and click on, but you can do as many as you can if you are interested in stacking your trade. I love it when people stack their trade too. So you can do as many buy limit as you can. I think I've done 3. So in between, and you can even get close to, let me check. Let me just delete these ones. Okay, you can get close to this level and just stack up. If you're interested in stacking up, just stack up your trade. Between now and tomorrow, it should trigger, and of course, it should be in profit. So that's the way it is. All right. So let me just quickly check the comment section. If you have question on it, on this particular strategy, you can ask me privately after this class. Because of time, let me check the comment and see what people want me to look at. Okay, so some people suggested Euro USD. Some people suggested USD JPY. Okay. Ike Diashi from Asaba. Good morning. I appreciate you all the way from Asaba. Okay. And GBP JPY, Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, Euro CAD. Okay. So let's start with USD JPY. So I'm going to go to majors market and check USDJPY. What's up? Okay, so here the price is still 100% pushing down, but I feel that it's time for you to look out to buy. Okay, it's time for us to look out to buy this one. So let's check with Bollinger Band to check if we can buy. Okay, let's check with white background on. Sorry, I don't know if I have white background on. I don't know if I have it. Okay, so I think I have it here. So I want to believe that this one is it's going to be a buy. 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 Let's check with H4. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I don't want to sell. I don't think I want to sell this one. I don't think so. Let me check with D1 also. Finally, okay. So we are still good with this one. With the D1, we had the kind of like a gap down. So we are still in between this body, right? So I think we are still good. So these are still, this area that I paint green is still buy zone. So if you are still buying, I think you are still good. I don't think it's a sell. I don't think so. Okay. Technically, it should be a buy. So we can do buy limits if you like. So if this green zone is your buy zone, all right, technically, and even if you look at the W1, I think it's still within that same range. Okay, so some people might say the price is bearish. Yeah, I know. Within the bear, there's always a bull. Okay, so let's look at before we click on buy. Let's look at. I'm going to share my screen shortly. Let's look at the fundamental front. Let's check what's going on with the fundamental. So let me share my screen and give you an idea. Okay, so I'm going to go to Forex Factory Live and check with Forex Factory so that we can have an idea of what the price is doing. Okay. For today, there's not much news with Euro, but there's USD on by 130, which is called durable goods. Okay, so if it is good, it's not expected to be okay. It's not expected to be okay, but if it is good, then dollar might just get some strength. Okay, and so it could be okay for you to buy USDJPY. But 130 is still far, and we need to take a trade now. So Japanese yen has been very stubborn over a period of time. So let's go back to the chart and check with this. So I think let's look at the monthly front. The monthly front, do you think this one will hold? Wow. This one actually broke this middle line. I don't know. I don't know if this monthly front is something we can go with, but what the monthly front is saying is that the price could actually, drop after this close. And today is Monday, so we have Friday to decide if we want to go down or not. So I feel that we should just buy. If you ask me, I think we should just buy. See, the risk with buyers is actually less than with sellers. If you buy, you have less risk. What do I mean by that? The risk is somewhere around this zone on the W1, on the daily front. I think the risk is somewhere around here. If you buy USDJPY, you should have a risk. Let me just buy 0.01. What I mean is that the risk is less with buyers. I should just put my stop loss below this zone. That's where my risk should be. But if I sell, if I click on sell, the risk is somewhere around, let's look at it. Let's look at it. So at least you should have this kind of risk with sellers. This is where your stop loss should be. But with buyers, I think this is where our stop loss should be with buyers. This way our stop loss is for buying. Okay. Let me just remove this one. Okay, to this up front. So if I sell, I will have this upper stop loss. That's for sellers. And if I buy, I'll have this lower stop loss. Which risk is higher? Obviously, the seller's risk is higher than the buyer's risk. So I'm on a buy. I want to hold on to that one and I want to believe it to be in profit. So join me and of course jump into a buy with USDJPY. Now let's go to the comment section again and check. Elizabeth from Ibadan, you're welcome. Elizabeth Esson. Esson Elizabeth. Wow. I know something like it's all right. It's all right. Elizabeth, welcome. So let's look at Euro USD. I think Euro USD will just be directly opposite of USDJPY. Majors Euro USD. This one I want to go with sellers, really. So I want to just click on new order. I don't even want to waste time looking at analysis. I want to join and sell. Sell. Okay, so I have a sell on Euro USD. I'll go with sellers. I don't even want to analyze this one. It's directly obvious that the price should actually retrace. Okay, check this. I think I'm good with sell on Euro USD. Then I'll go with this also. I'll check again Euro card. Let's go to Euro card very fast. Let's go to Euro card. I think this one is clear enough. This one is clear enough. This one is clear enough. Yeah, I'm going with the sellers on Euro USD. So let's go to Euro card. I remember somebody mentioned Euro card also. Euro card. Euro card. Okay, so for Euro card, let's go to H4 and check. With Euro card, it appears as if the card is very, very strong. Okay. As it is, since card is strong, let's check with this one. Just okay. So let's go to 1 hour. Just Euro card. Well, it could just be a buy. It could be. I think you should just for this Euro card, it could be a buy. It could be. So we're going to wait. I think we need to wait out for Euro card for a buy. We need for this red dot to enter the territory of 20. That's to go below 20. That's the first thing. This red dot on the stochastic needs to go below 20. Once it goes below 20, we'll be looking to buy. So that's on the 1 hour front. So we're not going to sell this one. We're looking to buy because obviously the trend is up. Okay, so we're looking to buy. The way I see it, trend is up. So let's wait a little bit. Maybe in the next 2, 3, 4 hours, you can now look out for this one and buy. All right. So let's check the comment section again and check what people want me to look at. Okay, so I've done Euro USD, I've done USDJPY, I've done Euro card, and I've done DAX 30. So let me check again, GBP/JPY. Yeah, I think somebody mentioned that also. So GBP/JPY, let's go ahead and check GBP/JPY right here. And we can check this one now with, maybe we'll start with this one. No, this one is not giving us anything. This one. I don't know why this chart is behaving like this. Maybe I should just start MT4. Hold on. Let me start my MT4 and check. That chart is not loading. So give me a second. I'm actually opening up GBP/JPY for you guys. GBP/JPY right here. So I'm going to go to template and show you while I share my screen. MT4. Okay, so I'm going to just share my screen by looking at stochastic very fast. Okay, so based on what I have here, this one is a buy. Based on what I have here, though, based on my analysis now, this one is a buy, not a sell. Okay, now why do I say buy? Because you see, there's a stochastic cross around here. around here. That's where the cross happened. And the vertical line here says so that I could buy whenever I see a bullish candle. Okay, that's where the cross happened. And the bullish candle happened here. All right, this hammer, end of hammer. And now the price has obviously, taken out all those people that use stop loss. So I want to, by all means, I think I have confidence in this more than the other ones. So I'm buying this one with at least small lot. Okay, so let's buy GBP. That's what I see on this one. 100%, being honest with you, this one looks like a buy. Okay, now if you ask me, what about the cross down? Because of course, the stochastic obviously crossed down around here, but this is nothing to worry about because it didn't happen upstream, right? It didn't happen above 80. Plus the fact that this trend looks like something that is going up. Okay, so that's an uptrend, a little bit of uptrend, right? So that's what I see here. So I mean, this one looks up. Okay, so I'm buying GBP with confidence. And of course, when it comes to stop loss, take profit, you can use, I think you can just use maybe ATR, or I think the stop loss should be around, that's below this level, that's below this level. Let's use below this level as our stop loss. So our stop loss will be around 189, 115, and our take profit will be around, so if I use the stop loss, I'll take profit down. Take profit should be around this high. That's about, what? 210 pips? That's too high. So let's use like 100 pips for this one. 100 pips should be fine. 100 pips take profit, and I think 50 pips stop loss. 65. Okay, let's use, 57 pips stop loss. 57 pips stop loss, and 100 pips take profit for this GBP. Be confident in that. 50 pips or 57 pips stop loss and 100 and something pips take profit. So let's stick with this one, GBP. I think it's going to favor us today. I'm hoping so. Then we go to the next one. So I think somebody suggested something different from this one. I'm going to be very fast this morning. I think we still have 30 minutes to go. We have more time for question and answer. Okay, somebody want me to look at gold, USD, check gold, CAD JPY. I don't know, TP for Euro USD. You can just use 50 pips for that one. Let's go down. Gold, Euro USD, USD CAD. Okay, so let's go to gold. Gold very fast. I think gold is under precious metal. I hope so. Yeah. So let's go to gold. Gold, based on the gold move with fundamental, not technical. I've come to realize that gold obey fundamental more than technical. So I'm a little bit scared, trading gold. I must confess. All right. So, but I think gold by all means is going up. So, and that's buy. Okay. But since I'm not on the trade, I would rather stay off. Okay. I'm not on the trade because the price is no longer in the support region. It's actually at the resistance zone. So this is the support region where should have taken a buy, and now price has climbed up and got into resistance zone. So this is a resistance zone. Why do I say resistance zone? Because obviously the price was stopped around here previously, and of course if you cross to the left side, you shouldn't be buying around resistance. You should wait for the price to return to support. But I think gold is actually will be favoring buyers. If you're in a buy on gold, stay with it. You don't need to close your trade. If you're on a sell on gold, use stop loss by all means. If you're not on any trade yet, stay off for now and wait for the price to return support and buy. Because I think based on the fact that first of all, the Federal Reserve is cutting rates. Okay, they already Jerome Powell mentioned it on Friday that they're looking forward. They are no longer interested in increasing rates because they want to slack down rates because they want to look at the labor market more than the rate. So because of that, I think gold will most likely continue to be bullish because the yield, okay, they want to actually look at the yield, okay. The yield curve is not actually favoring dollar when it comes to against gold. All right, so buyers, are happy now because of course the price is favoring them. Okay, so that said, it means that if you're not on a trade yet, you can wait for your turn, and your turn may come around here. So you wait for the price to return to, for example, this opening. I think we explained it at the beginning of this class. So wait for the price to return to this opening and buy. Don't sell just be looking towards buying for gold. All right. So I'm not on a trade on gold. I'm not going to place a trade buy. You already know why. And I'm not going to place a sell. I'm waiting for my opportunity to come. If you're on a buy, wait, your take profit will be hit shortly. Now, what's the projection for Euro USD? I said sell. Technically, Euro USD is different from gold. Okay, Euro USD obey technicals. Gold does not obey technicals. That's why I said sell on Euro USD. Otherwise, fundamental also favor Euro. Okay, but I don't think the fundamental will overrule technical, because technically Euro is on a kind of like a resistance. Okay, that's when it comes to Euro USD. Okay, and so you can see that the Euro is on the resistance already. If you check with, maybe I can just go down and pick this template and show you guys. All right, though I don't use it much. I'm not a fan of it, but I can just use it to give you, like, it broke resistance, but then it will actually go back. If you check D1, you see that the price actually broke resistance in recent time, but I think that resistance will be tested. So that's why we are actually on a sell on Euro USD. Projection, well, I think if today's market go bearish enough to actually close below this stone coat, resistance, then you can by all means begin to sell Euro USD. Of course, you should be in profit for it, right? So 100% that. Let's go to H1 and check again. With H1, you can see that the price is actually tending towards this support. So maybe if you're on the sell and you enter profit up to this level, you could just close your trade and wait for further information for that one. And of course, if you check with stochastic also, I think except this one crosses, then you can now begin to look for a buy again. All right. So I think that's that on Euro USD. That's on projection. So if you get like, maybe if you're on the trade, if you get like 10-20 pips, you can close your trade on Euro USD. Let's look at more what people are saying again. Somebody say US 100 USD card. I think I've looked at almost everything except CAD JPY. For CAD JPY, CAD is strong. I've not gotten there. Wait, hold on. CAD JPY here. CAD is strong, yeah, but Japanese yen is also strong. So let's use technical for this one. Let's go to this and check. Okay, so I think this one is also a buy. This one is almost like Euro card. Okay, it's almost the same thing as Euro card. So for this one, we just place a buy. Why? Because of this stochastic cross. This is a buy signal, all right? Because the price was actually uptrend before now. Wow. But it's not beginning to turn downtrend though. Okay, let's stick with buy on this one also. Okay, I'm not 100% sure. This one is not like JPY, but on average, if you must enter a trade, I think you should enter buy. If you must, enter buy. If you must, enter buy. All right. I think I was listening to the Bank of Japan governor over the weekend. I think they are also not really too much in even though Japanese yen is strong, they are not much really into actually supporting it more. I think they are already good with it. Where Japanese yen is now, the governor of Bank of Japan is already comfortable with the level of strength of Japanese yen. Okay, so this one I'll use tight stop loss. Just use tight stop loss, all right? Because I don't want to lose much on this one. Of course, I will also use like maybe about maybe almost 100 pips take profit. Okay, tight stop loss on 0.01 on this one is actually, let me check. Because this stop loss, like, that's about 2,600, less than 3,000. So I think I'm comfortable with this one where it is, since I've taken a trade on it. Let me check the comment section again and check with people what people are saying. A lot of people are saying Eurocard, and we already analyzed it, so we're not going back, except for somebody that say USDCHF and US 100. Those are the ones I can look at very fast. Begin to bring what you want me to look at, so that I can look at it. And 100% USDCHF. USDCHF. Well, USDCHF is strong against dollar. Okay, CHF is strong. but it's approaching resistance. So I don't think I have a reason to except maybe I'll use Bollinger Band for this one. Maybe let's check with Bollinger Band. Okay, so for this one, I think this one is still where it is. I'm not interested in selling also. Maybe I'll just wait it out. So this one, I don't think I have a trade of it. I think I'll just stay off, just like gold. I'll stay off on this one. I'll just stay off. Let me just stay off on gold for this one. All right. Gold. Just like, sorry, USD I'm staying off. Gold, I'm staying off. Okay. I don't have a trade on those ones. All right. US 100. Very fast. US 100, US 100, US 100. By the way, after this class, you can always go back and check with this video on YouTube. So we are live stream. And of course, by 10 o'clock, if you are new and you still want to learn more, by 10 o'clock, Pip Mama will be on board. That's Favor to actually start the morning class. That's normal safety pick class for basic people that still don't know how to put stop loss, how to take profits, how to do all those small things. Okay, you can join her by 10 o'clock. The class should end by 12. It's just 2 hours. But of course, if you have a friend that is learning, really looking forward to learning, allow them to join. And this class is every day anyway. So between now and Friday, we hold it on 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so you can always join the class. Now for US 100, my bias is with the bias for this one. Just like we have on DAX 30 that we checked earlier. My bias is to buy. All right, so that's for US 100. So let's go to again US 100. I want to check with something else. I want to check with like 2 different indicators this morning. Let me check with this one. No buy here, but the bias is with the bias. So I want to see the entry point that is good. Back crossing with H4. Okay, so this one no signal. What about D1? Well, for D1, we are still waiting out. So where this price will go in the next 1 month, I can give you an idea. Okay, so let's say that I use this line. Yeah. Okay. Then I use the same line down. So if you want to know where this price will go in the next 1 month, wait for this price to break out of this range. This range I just painted now. Wait for the price to break out of it. Then we can actually give you an idea of where the price will go in the next 1 month. So the price will actually go somewhere. Don't know where yet, but I think it will have something to do with this bar. I'm going to just use an arrow on this to show you. Since I'm on D1 though, I'm on daily time frame. Now I'm going to use an arrow to show you. So if you want to know where US 100 will go in the next 1 month, okay, so I don't know, I don't want to use this kind of arrow. Let me just delete it. Okay, let me just use check. So you see this candle that I just put check on? This candle that I put check on is the candle of reference that I have today. Okay, so that candle that you see there, that candle number 2 on the D1. So you watch out. You put your, if you are using phone, all of us already know how to change time frame on phone. If you are using Android and you're on chat, okay, you put your phone to bar, that's bar chart, or if you like, you can use candlestick chart. It doesn't matter. Okay, so you now use you put it on D1, and then you check this bar that I just put a check on. Okay, begin to watch out for it between now and maybe Friday. The price should go somewhere. It should either go up or go down. Now, if it goes down, okay, if this price goes down, if it break below this candle, you can place a sell, or you can begin to look out for a sell. But if you dare to cross above it, that's to cross above this candle with a check, then you should begin to look for a buy. So you can put buy stop and sell stop if you like. But I want to believe that based on what the price is saying now, that the price will most likely go to the upside. Look at the way the chart is. So the chart is already writing a V, okay? Like, I don't know how to write V. It's already writing something like this, okay? And then we can copy this one to this side and just it. Okay, the price is already doing something like this. Okay, so and when you have this kind of structure on the chart, most likely the price will most likely go to the upside. So that said, it means that you can go low to, let me open another chart. Let me check with this one. Okay, so you can already see that the price is already, doing kind of like a tight range. So I want to believe that this price will go up. I want to believe that, but don't take my word for it. Let's go to another, strategy to check, see breakout. Okay, so with this one, the line is about to cross already. So you might want to use buy limits to, do something. Already you can see that there's a point of crossing coming around here. There's a almost crossing. And once it crosses, most likely the price will continue to push to the upside. So most likely, I must say that the price will most likely break to the upside. So you can use buy limit on this one, just like you did for DAX. Buy limit would be ideal. Buy limit. You can stack your trade if you like, if you have funds. You can stack your trade on this one, okay? Do as many as your account can carry for this one. Not sell limit, though. Buy limits, okay? Buy limit would be ideal for this one. So let me check the time. I think it's about 43, so we still have more to go. Let me read the comment section to see what people are saying. Some people said oil. I just analyzed US 100, so no need to mention it again. How do I join the 10 o'clock class? There's a link, Sholake. No, not Sholake. Sokale. Okay? Sokale. Atinuke. Where's your location? Give me your location. I can just, ask somebody to send and also you can send me a private message of WhatsApp with your email. I can tell your account manager to send you the link to join that class. Same Zoom link. Yeah, thank you very much, everybody. So you can use the same Zoom link to check to also join the class. And of course, I don't know, Yusuf, and I don't know, Idowu, I don't understand your question. Good morning, everyone. How about US30? Well, if you ask me for US30, and you ask me for DAX 40, and you ask me for US 100, you still ask me the same thing. So it's the same analysis that will hold for all of them. So US30, use the same analysis on US 100 to do that. So are you still on D1? Yeah. Yebode is the same link, yes. More questions, more questions. Ask me more questions, everybody. More questions before I throw open the class for a specific question. All right, so I think I've done that except for GU. Somebody mentioned GU also. That's GBP USD. I've not looked at it for a while, and I've not looked at Euro Pound also for a while. GU, Euro GBP. I'm going to look at it too. Okay. So for Euro GBP, I'll be looking to buy. For GU, I'll be looking to sell, right? Let me look at my money. How much do I have here? Okay, so wait, so we took trade on, I took trade on GBP JPY, I took trade on CAD JPY, and they are both in profit. Is it the same thing with you guys, everybody? Are you all in profit? Hello? Good. So PC says he's in profit. I don't know how to place the right stop loss. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't know how to place tight stop loss. What do you mean you don't know how to place tight stop loss? Somebody say connect me with somebody in Ondo Town. We don't have anybody in Ondo Town. We are here. You are already connected to me in Phoenix. What connection? What more connection do you need? Okay, so let me check this also. I think okay. So when are you coming to Osun? Very soon. This week I'm going to be busy. This week is the schedule for me is very tight this week. But I know I'm going to be crossing to like Kwara State most likely. So Kwara people should expect me in town. Okay, and I'm coming not just friend, I'm coming with a lot of goodies. So you want to collect goodie from me, be in Kwara, that's a learning. Now, so a lot of people say they are in profit. I'm happy. Just continue to enjoy the money. Please, since I started, I have been having more negative than profit. Okay, Remy Douglas, what about now? Do you have profit now? Remy Douglas, you should be in profit today. Okay, you should not be in a loss. You should be in profit. Okay, so now let's look at Euro Pound very fast before we close. Let me check that comment. Okay, thank you very much, Sheon, for dropping that link. And let me click go here and look at what this one is saying with first of all this one. First of all, oh sorry. Now what this particular chart is saying is that the price will go up. okay, because there's a lot of mopping up. There's something we call mop up, okay? Like when you spill water on the floor in your house, okay, you look for mopping stick, Abby, to clean it on your tile. Now, what this price is doing is that it's actually using that mopping stick around here. This is what we call mopping up of price. I've never used that language before, right? Somebody say, yeah, which one is mop again? This price mopping up, okay? So this like buyers, okay, banks, okay, gathering all momentum to actually push the price to the upside. So now let's quickly check with, since this one is a trade strategy, let's check with opposite trade strategy with like Bollinger Band. Okay, so we have an idea that price could actually go up here. And then we now finally check with stochastic. All right, so price could actually go up on this one. Price could go up on this one. Let's check with D1 or H4 rather. Okay, the same thing with H4. If you understand what we call head and shoulder pattern, there's something we call head and shoulder pattern. It's actually happening around here now. This head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so I think I would rather be with buyers on this one also. So I'm going to click on new order and buy. And I also use tight stop loss because Euro Point can be very funny. Okay, so I'm going to use this kind of stop loss and this kind of take profit. So my take profit will be like maybe ratio 1 to 2 on this one. Then I'll go to, I think that concludes Euro Pound. Then I'll go to, finally, I'll go to GBP USD. I think I already opened the chart. So GBP USD, well, this is a very strong uptrend, but I think the price will do a little bit of retracement. I think so. Let's go to back crossing first of all and check with H4. What's the price there? Okay, so I think this one will most likely go back to the average, most likely. D1 we most likely go back to the average. So this one is opposite of Euro USD. Oh, sorry, the same thing with Euro USD. Okay, so if you are not on too many trades, you can take this trade. But me, I already have too many trades, so I will not take this one. Okay, but it's actually looking like something that could go down. All right, it looks like something that could go down. We can check with Bollinger Band also. Okay, it looks like that, but I'm not going to take that trade. Okay, I'll just excuse myself, not take it. So I've taken on this account, I've taken 3 trades. And you know, 2 of them are already in profit. One already, of course, the one I just took now, Euro Pound. So I want to believe that all of you are fine now. We have about 10 minutes to go. So I'm going to use this opportunity to enable the channel for people to ask me questions directly. So Finviz, please, this is the link accurate to trading and when. No, there's something like this one, Emmanuel. Don't use this kind of link. Okay, and of course, we'll be coming to Edo State soon. That's Benin. We normally come to Benin soon, all right? Odun is a profit of which pair? Maybe you are new. I'm a new person. How do I start trading? Okay, you just started now. John Ojogo. Which one is Ojogo? I hope I pronounced your name right. Right. Remy Douglas, I know how to put buy limit, not instant buy. I don't understand what you're saying, Remy Douglas. So let me enable the channel for people to talk to me. I like it when people talk to me in the morning like this. I like feedback. So if you want to ask questions, you raise up your hand, I enable you, you talk to me. Oh yeah, who is going first? Based on what we have just done today. Okay, who is going first? Just raise up your hand. Raise up your hand if you want to talk. And if you don't want to talk, we can just close the class. I think it's a good place to leave it. Raise up your hand if you want to talk to me. Who is going first? There's a place you can just click on raise or wave. Just click on raise up your hand. So you can just raise your hand. I don't want to enable everybody to talk at the same time. One by one. Okay, one by one. Who is going first? Oguche says whatever is happening to you is not out of place in trading, but you can overcome it. So just follow our leads. Okay, just follow our leads here, and you'll be fine. So Rainy Word is raising up his hand. Let me check what to say. Rainy Word. All right, Rainy Word. What's up? Talk to me. Rainy Word, are you there? Rainy Word is not there. So let's talk to Remy Douglas. Remy Douglas, what's up?
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody.
Wait, I thought Remy Douglas is a man.
No, I'm a woman.
Ah, a woman name is Douglas or a woman name is Remy.
No, Remy Leku. I'm in Port Harcourt.
It's a lie. You are not Yoruba. You say Remy Leku. You are not Yoruba.
I'm Yoruba, but I don't know how to speak.
That's
My
not good.
mom is Rivers. I grew up here. So
Oh, okay. So what you need to do is to complete this statement. If you are not married, just marry Yoruba straight. Okay.
I'm married.
Ah, wow. It's all right. So Remy Douglas, I'm
Okay.
going to speak to you.
Mm.
But Yoruba from which state?
Lagos State. Isaleko.
It's Aleku. Wow. Have you been there before?
Yes. I'll be there.
Wow, that's nice.
Mm.
You guys own Nigeria. It's Aleku own Nigeria. It's all right. You're welcome. So what's your question?
Okay, sir. I started trading, let me say, 4 weeks ago now.
You're welcome.
So I can trade on my own. You know, when you came to Port Harcourt, that's when I started.
Me.
So I can trade.
When me, I came
I
to
can.
Port
I said when you came to Port Harcourt the last time for the
Harcourt.
meeting,
Okay. Okay.
that's when I started.
You're welcome.
Uh, so I can trade on my own, but the thing is, I have more negative than profit. I don't know why. And I have so many people that want to join me and do the trading, but I really want to like show them evidence. I don't know this GPP, JPY. If you can do it with me now, let me be on profit too.
Wait, but I'm already in profit. Are you not in profit?
No, because it's instant buy. So I don't know how to do instant buy. I only know how to do
Oh,
buy limit, stop
okay. Let me
limit.
Douglas. Let me not lie to you. You don't know how to trade yet. You are still a baby. So because if a trader should know how to place instant buy. If you don't know how to place instant buy, it means you are a baby. So to do instant buy, look at my hand. Which of the devices I use? I use the phone or laptop.
This phone.
So you don't have a laptop.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me see if I can connect my phone. Give me a second. I want to see if I can connect my phone so that I can see the way to do instant buy on phone. I'm going to just go to, give me a second. I'm going to just go to this. Check. Uh, just hold on. Come here.
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to see if I can just, connect my phone. Let me use this phone. Is it iOS you are using or Android?
Android.
Android. Okay,
Samsung A71.
no problem. Let me just see if I can connect my Android phone. I wanted to be sure of which one to use. Okay, give me a second. I'm starting my Android phone. I want to see if I can connect to my laptop. Okay, so support. Everybody just hold on. I want to show her. She said she doesn't know how to put instant buy on phone. So I want to really show her how to do instant buy on phone. And maybe somebody else can also benefit, from the training I want to give to Remy Douglas. Okay, so just a second, my screen will come up shortly. I'm gonna share it. Uh, okay, so let's go to there. Share the screen. See the screen. Share the screen. Give me a second. I don't know why.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I think I should use connect now. Yeah, share screen.
Mm-hmm.
So please forgive me, people. I'm actually trying to. Wow. Okay. Let's start this one also. Well, I can't really find my laptop. I don't know why.
Oh, laptop, please come up,
Yeah.
please.
I'm actually trying to connect to my laptop with my phone, so I don't know why it's not doing what I used to do this morning.
Also, because of other people, can you give me your contact? Then I'll
It's
call
fine.
you.
It's fine. I'm already sharing one. So I'm going to just share one now. It's just that this one is the iOS. So I hope people can see my screen now. Can you see my phone already? So if you can see my phone, I'm going to just go to my MT4 since I'm using MT4. So I'm going to go to chat. This is my chat on MT4. Hope you can all see my phone. Everybody,
Yes.
can you see my phone? Okay,
Yes.
so let's say that I want to place a buy, right? What I will need to do is to, because I'm using iOS, there's something on this top right-hand corner. Trade. Can you see it? Trade. So because this one is not it's not Android. So there's a trade on top right-hand corner now. I don't know if my mouse is touching it. This one. I'm not sure my mouse is touching it. So if I click on it, it will come to this part. And then you can click on buy or sell here. This is how to do instant buy. So it's only when you want to do pending order, you click on here and then you choose whether you want to do buy limit or sell limit or something like that. It's only that one. Okay, but if you want to do instant buy on iOS, that's how you do it. Okay, but that's for iOS. I would have loved to actually do it on Android, but I don't know why my phone is actually giving me issues this morning. Okay, no target device. Try do the QR code. I don't know. So I think the phone is misbehaving this morning. I think that so. But if you look at the top right-hand corner of your phone, madam,
Mm.
to it, be on chat view, like this kind of chat. Be looking at chat. Then you go to the top right-hand corner, you see something like a SIM card.
Mm.
Can you see it?
Is it the round box and the triangle box?
No, not that one. Put your phone on portrait. When you put your phone on portrait, that's the same way you are seeing this my phone screen now.
Okay.
Not horizontal, not landscape. Put it on
Okay.
portrait. Then you look at the top right-hand corner, you see something like a SIM card there. If you're on chat view, you see an icon like a SIM card. Can you see it?
Okay, let me go there, sir.
Are you not on chat view?
I am.
Okay, so if you're on chat view, you look up on top of your screen, you see something like a SIM card. Can you see it?
The one I'm seeing, sir, my own is a box and a round one like clock.
No, that's not the one I'm looking for. I don't
That's
know
the
why,
one I'm seeing.
I don't know why you are seeing what you are seeing. But it shouldn't be so. Did you press the center of your screen?
No, I'm in chat right now.
So look at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Tell me what you see.
I see three lines in left. Then this other side, the top right, is box and a clock one, a triangle box and a clock.
No, that's not what we are looking for. That's not the one we are looking for.
Or should I click on it?
No, don't click on it. What
Okay.
what you are seeing is different from what I asked you to show us. Okay, that's not the one I wanted to show us. So I'm going to just do something now. I'm going to just disconnect this phone. Permit me, people. I know a lot of people are raising up their hands. I'm going to give time. I'm going to maybe do extra, a little bit of extra session today. So let me see if this one can connect now. Maybe that to connect. I'm hoping so. Let me see. Let's view we connect now. One, two, three. Okay. So, oh yeah. So I'm going to show my screen now. Remy, are you there?
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to just show this Android device. Okay, can you see this Android now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see this my MT4 now. This is my MT4.
I use MT5.
Oh, you use MT5.
Yes.
Well, it should be the same thing. It should just be the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
So but if you look at this my own screen now, can you see that on the top right hand corner there's something like a SIM card with a plus? Can you see it? If you're looking at this my own screen, look at my own screen. You see a cross, F, something like this. What do you call it now? Triangle, rectangle, and whatever. And then there's a kind of S dollar. Then on the top right hand corner, there's a SIM card with a plus inside, right? So if I click on it
Sir,
now, are you not seeing my
sir,
screen?
I'm seeing it, but me, I don't have that one.
Good.
I don't know
What
why.
you do is because of time. I hope your place is not far from our office in Port Harcourt.
Yes.
Well, even if it is far, go there today and meet either Don or Ima or BC. Any of those three guys. Look for any of them. Ima, Don, BC. Look for them. Tell them I said that you should come, that they should show you what you need to see. And then you can start trading. Thank you very much. So I'm going to enable somebody else to talk now. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. Okay. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much, everybody, for your patience. Now let me look at somebody else that raised up their hands or his hand or her hand. Okay, so PC, what's up? PC, are you there? He's not.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, PC, what's the issue? Any issue?
Yes. Sorry, I've been trading with the normal straddle techniques for quite a while since I joined Rally. This is like more than 6 months.
Good.
But from the 13th of this month, I started noticing placing orders and it's picking me from a different price, moving my SL to different levels, thereby giving me huge minuses. So, but I had to call my account officer. He said it's slippage. So since then I've a kind of worried. I wanted to know if there is any other way I can actually be trading the news event, apart from if you can actually have any other thing to show us or show me on a way to trade news event.
Well, you want to be trading news, Abby?
Yes.
Okay, so I cannot really do the training here. There are ways to it, but the only one I can show you and which every other person listening can benefit is the one I call let me share the screen. I don't have to share phone on. Is the one I call post news strategy. And for example, I'm on GBP USD now. Let us say news is coming down by 130. So I'm going to go to 30 minutes chart and clean my chart. Okay. And then I can close this one. We don't need it for now. This is the current event. So say news is coming out by, this is 9 o'clock now. This is about 9:07. Let us say news is coming out by 9:30.
Okay.
I'm gonna go on 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Then I'll wait. So now it is 9:07. That means the current candle will close in the next few minutes, maybe in the next 8 minutes or 6 minutes. So if this candle close, let me just give you an arrow to show you what I mean. Okay, let me do it this way. Let us say news is coming out by 9:15 a.m.
Okay.
It's already 9:07.
Yes.
News is coming out by 9:15. So I will wait for this candle to close. Okay, this one will close at 9:14:59 seconds. So another candle will form at 9:15. Let me move this one here. See, another candle is here now that just formed.
Yeah,
I will not
9:15.
trade it. I will not trade. A
Okay.
new candle formed at exactly the time the news break. A new candle will be forming, but I will not trade. I will wait for that candle to close. Now, when that candle close, okay, let us say the candle close red, or no, let us say the candle close green, something like
Okay.
this. Assumption. Let us say the
Yes.
candle close green like so. So this is the new candle that just closed now. And once it closed by that 9:15, oh sorry, once you know it's 15 minutes bar.
Yes, I know.
So it takes 15 minutes for this bar to close.
Yes.
I'm coming up. I don't know why this thing is giving me issues like this. So say this candle close green like so. So once it closes green, then I'll click on new order, and of course I'll sell. That's what I'll do. So say it's closed here. This way it closed around here. So from
Yes.
here, I'll just click on new order and then I will sell. If the candle close red, I'll click on new order, then I'll buy. That's what I normally do. Okay.
Okay.
I create post news strategy, waiting 15 minutes after the news before I trade.
Okay.
And then I trade against the candle on 15 minutes. If it closes green, I'll sell. If it closes red, I'll buy. So you can use that one. Try that one. Of course, you will not, you'll be out of slippage issues. So you will be having issues of slippage. Okay.
Okay.
Because still be fine.
That this one you just shared now, does it really have maybe an SL level or a TP target?
Yes, the stop loss is at the tail of the candle. For example, if I click on sell, and let us assume that this is the candle high. Okay, so
Okay.
my stop loss will be around here. This is where my stop loss will be.
Okay. Above the
Let
width.
us say I click on sell, my stop loss
Yes.
will be where I just painted now.
Okay. Okay.
And if it is a buy, my stop loss will be at the tail of the candle also. I do
Okay.
that a lot. Okay. I don't know
Yeah.
if people have questions to ask on that, but you can share your thoughts with me on my personal on my personal WhatsApp page. And of course, I want to appreciate everybody for your patience, especially we started the class late, and of course, a lot of questions in between. I appreciate
Okay.
you, and I hope that all of us will end up green pips today. And of course, the candle is already looking green, so we have about 3 or 4 trades already, and they're all in green today. So I hope that all of them will all be green for all of us. And of course, it's going to be a blessed week for everybody. So I want to appreciate you all. Thank you very much for your patience, and bye-bye.
Now, take out for life accounts and different minds. We want to balance it.